You can expect a lot from the 2011 Chrysler 200. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.